Chris, my man, what's up?
Not much, man.
Cool, you got this weird looking contraption on. This plane says Skydive on the side. Are you about to do what I think you're about to do?
Hell yeah.
What made you want to come skydiving today?
Adrenaline junkie.
Just adrenaline. I like it, my man. Good call. So who we got skydiving with us today?
April.
April. Now, do you think he's gonna chicken out, or do you think he's actually gonna go?
He's gonna go.
All right, I might have to push him, but we'll see. All right. That all right with you, Chris?
Yeah, man.
All right. Next time I see you guys, we're gonna be up in that blue playground.
Only 6 o'clock in the morning and my heartbeat is out of control. 10 minutes into boarding, feels like I'm about to explode. Time for the ride up, tension started to swirl. I can't believe I'm gonna free fall from the top of the world. Senses peaked with a crazy anticipation. Feeling like this, tell me how the hell can I be patient? Jumpsuit rig, Google helmet all in place. Double checking just in case. I'm elated, baby, freedom, one green light away.
Chris, good.
Ready?
You ready? We're not even halfway there yet, man.
I'm ready.
Yeah?
Open that door, whatever.
Not nervous yet, are you?
Nope.
I still am. Hey, when you gonna jump? Free drop, jump, jump. All right, Chris, stay outside, brother.
All right.
Spread my wings, time to fly. One step out, all it takes for me to touch the sky. So amazing, so liberating. 12,000 feet, AGL, so breathtaking. Belly down, box me now. 4 minutes of pleasure without any spark of distraction around. State of mind, euphoria, wish could last forever. From this day on, nothing can stop us from getting back together.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. I love the sky, baby. 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 I love the sky, baby.
Here we go. Chris, good. We made it.
We made it.
You jumped out of a perfectly good airplane. You went through free fall. You didn't let me die. How was that, man?
It was awesome, man.
Yeah.
Really good time.
Heck yeah. What was your favorite part up there?
Probably the initial jump, the initial rush of falling, man. It was awesome.
Heck yeah, man. Congratulations. See you next time, all right?
Yep.